Life is beautiful. My dear friends, I am telling you, life is beautiful. Yes, it is. See, today I am going to tell you an activity which I request you all to try it without fail. So, the activity which I am going to say is I will tell you a situation which you have to imagine, and after that, if you feel like celebrating, then celebrate full on. You can jump on your seat, clap, laugh, cry, dance, whatever you want, but do it full on. Here the activity for you. Please close your eyes. So, the situation is everybody has a dream for which he or she is living. It will be there in one's mind that if this happens, then it will be amazing. It will become fun. It can be anything. It can be like becoming a successful businessman with a lot of team working under you, to become a celebrity, to visit your favorite place in the world. It can be very small dream. Maybe living happily with your loved ones in your own house, not on rent, but on your own, whether single room or with double room, but on my own, where I am playing, living with my loved ones. Be it small, but it's mine. Your dream can be that you are a sportsman, one who is winning many medals. It can be anything. So, whatever your dream in your life, try to remember it and imagine yourself in that situation. So, if your dream is to be a businessman, just imagine that imagination, that dream had come true, and you are sitting in your cabin, around you team of people, and you are conducting a meeting and planning ahead of what you will do. You have to understand one more thing. At this moment, that power that can make this dream real, only that one power, whatever you refer to it, be it God, energy or belief, whatever you say, but that is looking to you in this moment. It is seeing you now. Those who are all, after opening their eyes with the whole heart, they are going to celebrate. Definitely, I am telling that their dream is going to be reality. But those who do not, their dreams won't become reality. I guarantee that. Because when you start celebrating, that it will automatically become real. If you do it every day, it will become reality automatically. So, you can open your eyes and celebrate. Every morning, do watch this video, and this strong belief is what life is. If we are living, why we have got this life? To live only, right? Not for sitting down and counting our time. Yeah, now 20 years more. Oh, now 10 years left. Oh my, now only 5 years left. Oh my God, only 5 days left. Is then we will wake up and celebrate? No, we won't. Be in your dreams, and when your dreams became real, that is a big moment. Yes, it is a big moment. Just hold this feeling wherever you are in your life. You thought to do something and it is done. Put on some music and dance and celebrate it. Yeah, I enjoyed my life to the fullest. That's all life is. For next 3 weeks, watch this video every morning and see the magic. Life is always beautiful. Live to the fullest. Be happy. Dream and achieve your dream. Life is beautiful.